Smart home security is evolving rapidly, and smart locks are now one of the most popular upgrades for modern households. They provide keyless convenience, enhanced safety, and remote access control right from your smartphone. Whether you're looking for fingerprint recognition, list number 1. iLock Smart Doorknob with Keypad and Key. The iLock Smart Doorknob is a versatile choice that blends classic design with modern smart features. It offers multiple unlocking methods, including a keypad, traditional key, and smartphone app control, making it suitable for households that want flexibility. The keypad is responsive and backlit, ensuring ease of use even at night. Its compact design makes it ideal for bedrooms, home offices, or apartments where space and style matter. One of the standout features is its temporary password system, which allows you to grant access to visitors or service providers without sharing a permanent code. The installation process is straightforward, with no extra wiring needed. In terms of battery life, it's efficient and provides low battery alerts so you won't get locked out unexpectedly. While it may not offer advanced Wi-Fi integration like higher-end locks, the iLock Smart Doorknob is a fantastic budget-friendly solution for those seeking reliable smart access control. Its sleek design, multi-access methods, and secure build make it a practical choice for everyday use.
List number 2. UltraLock Bolt Fingerprint Wi-Fi Smart Lock. For tech-savvy homeowners, the UltraLock Bolt Fingerprint Wi-Fi Smart Lock stands out with biometric fingerprint recognition for ultra-fast entry. Its Wi-Fi integration allows you to lock, unlock, and monitor your door remotely through the UltraLock app. The fingerprint scanner is highly accurate with less than a second recognition time, making it a true game-changer for keyless entry. The lock supports 6-in-1 entry options, including smartphone app, keypad, fingerprint, auto unlock, mechanical key, and voice control via Alexa or Google Assistant. This versatility ensures convenience for families, Airbnb hosts, or anyone managing multiple users. Built with durable zinc alloy, the lock is weather-resistant and secure, suitable for both indoor and outdoor doors. One of its best features is the auto lock function, which automatically secures your door when you leave. The installation process is simple, requiring only a screwdriver. While it comes at a higher price point, the advanced technology, top-notch fingerprint accuracy, and Wi-Fi connectivity make the UltraLock Bolt one of the most feature-rich smart locks available on Amazon.
List number 3. Smart Lock Front Door Lock, SMONET Keyless Entry Door Lock with Handle. The SMONET Keyless Entry Smart Lock with Handle combines style, convenience, and advanced security. Designed as a complete front door lock set with a handle, it provides an all-in-one upgrade for your home's main entry. The lock supports multiple access options, including fingerprint, keypad, app control, IC cards, and traditional keys. Its fingerprint reader is fast and reliable, unlocking in less than a second. Through the mobile app, you can generate temporary or permanent codes for guests, making it ideal for rental properties and Airbnb hosts. The auto lock feature adds peace of mind, ensuring your home stays secure even if you forget to lock manually. The lock's sleek design with a modern handle enhances curb appeal, while its durable build resists tampering and weather elements. It also integrates with Alexa and Google Assistant, allowing for voice-controlled locking and unlocking. Installation is user-friendly, though beginners may take a bit more time since it's a full lock and handle replacement. Overall, the SMONET Smart Lock with Handle is an excellent choice for homeowners who want a stylish, functional, and secure smart lock with multiple entry options.
List number 4. Eufy Security Smart Lock C30 Keyless Entry Door Lock. The Eufy Security Smart Lock C30 delivers a balance of simplicity, security, and smart features. Known for Eufy's reliability, this lock features app control, keypad entry, and traditional key access. The C30 also supports auto lock and one-touch locking, ensuring convenience for everyday use. It offers Bluetooth connectivity for local control and can be paired with a Wi-Fi bridge sold separately for remote access.
The Eufy app allows you to track access history, making it easy to monitor who enters and when. The keypad is sleek and weather-resistant, while the internal mechanics are built to last, providing long-term security. Installation is straightforward, requiring minimal tools. The long battery life ensures you won't be changing batteries frequently, and low battery notifications provide extra reassurance. Unlike more expensive models, it doesn't come with built-in Wi-Fi, but the optional expansion still makes it highly versatile. If you're looking for a dependable,
List number 5. Tiho TE001 Keyless Entry Door Lock with Keypad. The Tiho TE001 Keyless Entry Door Lock is one of the most affordable yet highly rated smart locks on Amazon. It offers a simple keypad entry system, along with traditional key access for backup. Its design focuses on practicality and security, making it a great choice for budget-conscious buyers who want smart access without complicated features. The keypad allows you to program multiple codes, including temporary ones for guests. It also includes an auto lock feature, ensuring your door secures automatically after a set time. Its sturdy construction provides resistance against tampering, while its weatherproof design ensures durability for outdoor use. Installation is extremely easy, requiring only a screwdriver, making it perfect for DIY homeowners. Although it lacks advanced features like fingerprint scanning or Wi-Fi connectivity, the Tiho TE001 delivers reliable performance and excellent value for money. If you want a budget-friendly smart lock with reliable keypad functionality and solid build quality, the Tiho TE001 is a fantastic entry-level option.